If you want to know which of your products register more sales, you can do it by filtering all the orders containing them. That way, you'll know where these products are sold in greater numbers, and many other details you can obtain by filtering your orders by specific products. This information can be really useful to plan new advertising campaigns, coupon campaigns, etc. However, that's really difficult if you try to do it manually in WooCommerce. That's why we want to show you how to search for all your orders containing multiple specific products. We'll use the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin, which displays all your orders and their complete information on a spreadsheet, where you can do advanced searches and apply massive edits. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first option is to search for all the orders that contain all the products in a list. Just open the search tool. Now enter the list of products here. Remember to select the option that states that all the products must be in the orders that will be filtered. Once you enter the products, click on Run Search to filter your orders, and they will be displayed on the spreadsheet. The second option also includes a list of products. However, in this case, the orders can contain at least one of the products included in the list. Just open the search tool, and enter the products here. Remember to select the option that states that the orders must contain at least one of the selected products. Finally, hit Run Search, and the orders will be displayed on the spreadsheet. After you have filtered the orders with multiple products, you can export the information to a CSV file to create a database. Here, select the columns you want to export. Select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is the CSV file containing our filtered orders in Google Sheets. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.